While introducing JSON as a data interchange format, I shall explain its overview, genesis, features, along with a basic example screencast of creating JSON. Overview of JSON. JSON is one of the most lightweight textual data interchange format that needs a small file space to store or overhead while data interchange is very low. It is very much human readable as it contains the unencoded real natural language data. It supports digital content in form of data structures and arrays. Modern programming languages have good library to support JSON read and write functionality. It is also a good alternative to XML and it is rather more efficient while parsing as compared to XML. JSON was first named and conceived by an American programmer, Douglas Crockford, in early 2000s. He based this format on JavaScript ECMA 262 3rd edition. It became Internet standard as RFC 4627. It is also standardized as ECMA standard 404. Let me begin by making a simple JSON file. Most JSON files will begin with a curly brace. Okay, then for clarity's sake, I am putting in next line. Then JSON key names will always have double quotes. So, suppose I have to show two words out after parsing the JSON. So, I am putting W1 as my first label. And then colon character is the separator between key name and its value. Let the first word be hello, which I want to print. And then there has to be a separator called comma for two key value pairs. And then I am putting again double quotes, word 2, again ending with double quotes, and then colon separator. Then let me type it another word as word. Okay. And this. So second word is word. And then again I want to put something. Let me say ID of this file. So I would like to declare some ID here, like ID, double quotes, colon, and I want to give this ID as a simple number. So numbers I don't need to include double quotes. A comma is obviously needed because name value key pair differentiate with different name value key pair. And maybe say I want to create an array also. So continents, then double colon, then array will begin with square braces, and maybe in an array is a value list. I am putting just for clarity here in after tab, say North America. Then again between value list I can have to put commas. South America, again a comma, Europe, again a comma, Asia, again a comma, South Africa, then again a comma, then Australia, then again a comma. I'll include poles also. Okay. So it will be complete. North Pole, South Pole, and after the last item I don't need a comma. I have to close with, because since it's an array, I have to close with right square braces, and since this contents item is a last key value pair, I don't need a comma here again. I can simply close it with curly brace. So this whole becomes my one object. You can just have a better look here. This is our name value pair. This is a name value pair. That means key or value pair. This is another key value pair. This is the fourth key value pair where value is an actually array. And this array has multiple items, again separated by commas. And if I want to really check my file, I can copy this entire code, go to a site. This is JSON.lint.com. Paste this here, and if it is a good file, then I'll get valid JSON message here. Fine. So it's good that I got everything right in the first shot itself. Name value pairs, and the value can be a array as well. Thank you.